Once upon a time, in the heart of the vast and vibrant jungle, there lived a young lion named Leo. Unlike other lions in his pride, Leo was smaller and quieter, often found gazing at the stars or listening to the whispers of the wind. Despite his size, Leo possessed a heart as big as the jungle itself. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in orange and pink, Leo would climb onto the top of the tallest baobab tree. From there, he dreamed of becoming the king of the jungle, a wise and a kind leader who looked after every creature, big and small. But Leo often felt discouraged. The other lions were strong and fierce, perfect for the role of king. Leo, with his gentle nature, wondered if he was meant for something else. One day, news spread through the village that the king of the jungle was feeling unwell. The animals grew anxious, unsure of who would lead them in his absence. Seeing the trouble, Leo felt a surge of courage. Maybe this was his chance to show his true potential. He approached King's den, his paws steady, despite his racing heart. Your Majesty, Leo began respectfully. I know you're not feeling well. If you need assistance, I'm here to help you. King, too weak, looked into Leo's earnest eyes and saw a spark of leadership. Thank you, Leo. Your willingness to help is commendable. The jungle is indeed facing challenges, and perhaps it's time for a new perspective. With King resting, Leo stepped up to guide the animals. The jungle was facing several problems. The river was drying up, the fruit trees were growing old, and tensions were rising among the different animal groups. Leo knew that strength alone wouldn't solve these issues. Instead, he gathered leaders from every part of the jungle. A wise old elephant named Ella, a swift monkey named Milo, a graceful deer named Daisy, and many others. Let's work together, Leo suggested. Each of us has unique strengths. By combining them, we can restore harmony to our home. Under Leo's guidance, the animals began to collaborate. Ella the elephant used her memory to locate hidden water sources, while Milo the monkey organized teams to transport water back to the riverbed. Daisy the deer coordinated the planting of new trees, ensuring that each species thrived in its designated area. Leo listened to everyone's idea, valuing each contribution. His gentle leadership inspired trust and cooperation. Slowly but surely, the jungle began to heal. The river flowed once more. Lush greenery returned, and the animals found peace in their shared efforts. As the jungle flourished again, King regained his strength. One bright morning, he summoned all the animals to the clearing for a grand celebration. Today, we celebrate not just restoration of our jungle, but the spirit of unity and emergence of a new leader among us. that true leadership isn't about being the strongest, but about caring for others and working together. I believe Leo is ready to take the mantle of king when the time comes. A cheer erupted from the crowd. Leo felt a warmth in his heart, knowing that his dream was becoming a reality, not through might, but through kindness and collaboration. Years passed, and Leo grew into a wise and beloved king. Under his reign, the jungle thrived like never before. He established councils where every creature had a voice, ensuring that all perspectives were heard and valued. Leo's leadership transformed the jungle into a harmonious paradise. Predators and prey lived in mutual respect, and the once varying factions found common ground through understanding and empathy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Little Story Explorers for more magical adventures. Your support